Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use screen zoom on the Redmi phone. First, open the Settings app on your smartphone. After that, scroll down and find the Additional settings and tap on it. Now, tap on the Accessibility option available there. Here, tap on the Vision section at the top. Now, under the Display section, you can find the Magnification option. Simply tap on it. After that, toggle on the magnification shortcut. You will see the magnifying glass button at the edge of the screen. Tap on Got It to get started. Now, you can easily zoom in on the screen by double tapping on the magnifying glass if you want to zoom in. And to move across the screen, you will have to place 2 fingers and move through the screen. And that's it. You've successfully zoomed in on the screen on Redmi Phone. Now you can easily read and browse through the content in details. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tutorial Maven. Thanks for watching.